Meaning of hijacking.
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 Hijacking. Hijacking refers to the act of seizing control of something, usually a vehicle or plane, by force. This is typically done with the intent of using the item for criminal purposes, such as extortion or terrorism. During a hijacking, individuals may be held hostage, threatened with violence, or forced to comply with the demands of the hijackers. The end result of a hijacking often involves significant financial costs, loss of property, and potential loss of life. It is a serious crime that can have far-reaching consequences for everyone involved.